Hello there. My name is Robert from the Blue Team, and welcome to the video walkthrough of Cat Trap. And now we'll just get Cat Trap to open. There it is. And we'll hit play. Alright, cool. I'm going to set my volume just a little bit lower so it's not obnoxious. I don't think all of the audio mixers are set up perfectly here. We'll start with level 1. Okay, there's our guy. Got some vents. Okay, I just gotta use one key, as it says, to get through that door. And now I don't want to touch the vents because they're not very nice. Alright, got a checkpoint. Cool. Green pill is a dash pack. Let's see, can I make it? Ouch. Nope, I can't. But if I dash... it still got me. Well, here's a health pack. Another dash pack. Alrighty then. It's too empty here. Whoa, bad guy. He jumped out of nowhere. Yeah, that's our ambusher. Much better. Hey, dude, I'm over here. Hey, ambusher. Dude, yeah, there I am. Stupid ambusher. Doesn't stand a chance against me. Alright, other bad guy. Walked right into the flame. What a moron. Okay, done with that level. Go to level 2. Blue pill. Decoy. Hey there, bad guy. I'm right behind you. Hee hee hee, you can't hear me. Oh, but of course you'll see me if I step into the light. And then he's gonna go and look for me. Now he's gonna do a rotation and scan and try to find me. He's gonna do a 360 both directions, and if he fails to locate me, he'll go back to looking around where he was before on his patrol route. Okay. Let's see, I got a bunch of bad guys here patrolling. I found a green pack. That's a dash pack again. I can see that the 3 on the door means I need to find 3 keys. There's one. Oh, that one's nice and easy. Oh no! Ambusher! Go away. Dash away. And, see if I can use a decoy to distract that guard. Alright, he's scanning. Scanning. Oh, get out of the scan range. Damn. I have all 3 keys. I'm going to go to the exit, and boom. Got it. Okay, level 3. Green pill. Dash. Ooh, wind zones. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey. Don't push me into the fire. Don't push me in the fire. Got a health kit. Checkpoint clear. No, don't. I don't want to touch that fire. Looks like these pills aren't low enough to make contact with. Oh, another ambusher. I can dash away from him. Come on, chase me, bro. Come on, bro, come at me. Come at me, bro. Fool. And the last bad guy there, I think I can just, yeah, he's not very smart. Okay. Level 4. What's up with the blue mat? Well, the blue mat is going to alert any nearby bad guy . Because the volume is so low. You lost me. Because the volume is so low, you can't hear. You heard that one. Can't hear that one. Okay. How many keys do I need? 3. I'm gonna use a camo pack. Try to hide from these guys. No touching. Got all the keys. Good. E to open. No, bad guy, go away. No. Oh. I think we gotta adjust the strength of those wind fans over there. Made it to the exit. Alright. And last level. Okay. So the enemy was out of range. And he's gonna look for me. Don't get seen. Yeah, he saw me. Jerk face. Okay. And the other enemies are coming to investigate the alarm. I picked up a camo, I got a dash, got some decoys. Looks like our enemies don't like to spin quite properly when they're next to each other. Hey, no. Great. Okay. Number 2 for a decoy. Oh, he didn't chase it. Alright. Hide. And active camera. Ha ha ha, you can't see me. Oh no. More active camera. I only have 1 key. What? What? Grab all the keys. That key. That one. We're about to get an error because when the timer expires, yeah, there we go. See, and it's just gonna keep popping. The game's trying to load a level that does not exist anymore in the scene. So we have to get rid of that. Let's see if I can. Oh. Leave me alone, bad guys. Camera. Ha ha ha. You can't see me. Another pill that's. Chase that, will you? Uh-oh. He's coming. Go away. Haha, we made it. Alright, and that's it. That'll do it. Those are the 5 levels in Cat Trap. Got a few minor bugs to work out, but things are working pretty well. Okay. Thanks for watching, and have a good night.